In this video, we will discuss the term expenditure. Expenditure is an amount which is spent on the purchase of an asset. Any asset which you purchase, like building, machinery, motor vehicle, etc., is termed as expenditure. Expenditure is of three types. The first is capital expenditure. Capital expenditure is non-repetitive in nature, non-recurring in nature. Once made an expenditure will give you the benefit over a number of years. Again, example is the same: building, machinery, furniture, motor vehicle, etc. So, capital expenditure and the term expenditure can be used interchangeably. If I say expenditure, it is the purchase of an asset. If I say capital expenditure, it is again purchase of an asset, because both are non-repetitive in nature. When I talk of revenue expenditure is repetitive in nature or it is recurring in nature. For example, the expenses which are incurred for day-to-day operations of the business are revenue expenditure, or simply termed as expenses. Example: rent paid for the building, salaries paid to the managers, wages paid to the labor class, traveling expenses paid, legal expenses paid, and we have a lot many expenses that are termed as revenue expenditure. So, the other term that is used for revenue expenditure is expenses. I repeat, a capital expenditure and expenditure word can be used interchangeably, whereas revenue expenditure is also termed as expense. So, whenever we use the term expense, it is revenue expenditure. Whenever we use the word expenditure, we mean by capital expenditure. The third one is deferred revenue expenditure. Deferred revenue expenditure is nothing but it is a fictitious asset. Deferred revenue expenditure means the expenditure which helps in generating the revenue but is written off from the profits of the firm in the coming years. It is the same as fictitious asset. Thank you.